all need to know about the ChatGPT Plus team and also the Pro features also. And you also need to know about the token. Why I say this one is very important. Later on, I will explain to you. And the prompt. Prompt is actually the better prompt can let you to get a better result. And ChatGPT actually can help you to read, summarize, and synthesize the PDF. But the problem is how are you going to do it to get a better result? A lot of people they don't know how to use it. Fully utilize the ChatGPT. If you're using the free version, then totally a lot of features you cannot use. I just want to let you know. And then we also will talk a little bit on the idea generation. And the last part of the today is qualitative part. Okay. And tomorrow we'll talk about the AI challenge, which is the AI detection. A lot of people, if you're starting to use a ChatGPT, this is the thing that you need to worry about it. Okay. And you want to use a paraphrasing software like ChatGPT Keyboard Grammarly actually can. But the problem is you will get the high AI detection if you paraphrase all. Okay. And I'm going to demonstrate another software. It's called Scopus AI. This one will be introduced in tomorrow class. Okay, tomorrow class. Also very, very important. And the last thing is quantitative analysis. Can I use a quantitative method by using the ChatGPT? If can, which one can, which one cannot? I will discuss about it. For the statistical can, but not all. Not with a very advanced one. Okay. And for the smart PLS type, actually, they cannot analyze for you, but actually they can interpret for you only. Okay. And the last, if we have an extra time, maybe we can discuss a little bit on some other tools lah. Okay. Today is only until 10, tomorrow also until 10, but I try my best to extend it. If you have any questions, try to ask a question inside. Don't ask me got any recording, any slide. If I want to share, usually will share with all you. Okay, give me some time because usually after my workshop, actually, if usually I will cut the video. Some important part like Q&A, very private one, that one I will not share out lah. Okay. So usually if I want to share, I will share to the YouTube one. You can go to my YouTube. Everyone also can watch it. Okay. So don't ask this question anymore. Very important one. Okay, keep asking about everything related to the ChatGPT and also anything you want to know more. I will try my best to share the important prompt with all of you lah. Okay, okay, let's continue now. Okay, so my first thing actually I want to ask all of you lah. How many of you actually using the ChatGPT pay version? How many of you using the Teams version? Can you write down for me? If you're using the team, you write up team. If you're using plus, you write up plus. If you're using free, you write up free. If you're using pro, you write up pro in the chat box. Okay, in the chat box, write down for me. See got how I want to see got how many people using the Teams or either the pro. Oh, got one people using pro version. That one cost you $200 per month. Is it true? Pro version is 200 ringgit, not the plus version. Plus and pro is different. Okay, so I want to tell you, if you just use a ChatGPT to help you to analyze some content, that is okay. But if you are a heavy user, like you like to drag the file inside the ChatGPT, then you ask the ChatGPT to analyze this 10 file for me. Then after that, the ChatGPT analyze for you, but you think the result is not accurate because of what? Because you're using the free version, and then you don't know its limit. You don't know its limit. You imagine like that lah. You get it for free, then you want to utilize the full features. It's impossible, okay? And then you get it, you use for the plus version. You still want to use the utilize. You just throw inside 10 article. The 10 article maybe is around 100 pages. Is it possible the ChatGPT can analyze for you? No, because you don't know its limit. You don't know how to ask. You don't know actually how many character, how many words they are processing. This is very important. If you really want to fully utilize one software, please understand the limit of the software, and then you're only able to fully utilize it. Okay. And then of course we have budget. We can purchase a $200 one. If we are a heavy user, we want to analyze a lot of data, we want to read a lot of chat PDF. And one more thing I want to share with you even in the market got a lot of software tell you they can read, they can actually can help you to read a lot of article, then they can analyze for you. Actually, even you put 10 article, you put 8 article, if that file is very a lot of the pages, the result also is the same. Because one, everyone is using the ChatGPT service. They buy the token from the ChatGPT. Okay, so if ChatGPT cannot perform well, other software can or not? You imagine like that. You also pay the same amount. ChatGPT cannot allow you to perform well, but other software allow you to perform well. Is it true or not? I don't think so lah. So you have to understand. Actually, for me, I just use one ChatGPT enough for me to summarize, read the article, write the content, improve the prompt, everything we can do. Okay. So know the limitation. First thing, what version you already answered my query. So we go to know its limitation. I teach you on how to know the limitation. Very simple only. You don't need to go to online to find search what is the limitation. So now we start with it. We start with it. Okay. Okay, we ask question very, very simple only. Tell me the difference on ChatGPT. Okay? ChatGPT free lah, plus lah, Teams lah, and also Pro. I want to know about the limitation, okay? And also token, and the token can be read. Okay, even my English sometimes not very good. It's still okay because the ChatGPT can understand me. Try to see this message. This one very important. Okay, why I want to show you about this. You know how to generate, but you cannot get a better result because of what? You did not understand the ChatGPT. Okay, so you try to see this one. Free. Free actually is only 8K token. Do you know 8K token how many words? Okay, now we go to the plus. Plus is support up to 8K token. And then usage limit got usage limit every few 3 hours or 4 hours like that lah. It depends on the peak season or peak season. The plus and the team support up to 122 8K token. Oh, what is it? Pro support up to 122 8 token. Okay, then the access to the GPT-4 Ultimo with higher usage limit actually is we actually is unlimited, unlimited usage for Pro is unlimited. Okay, so we want to see. I don't understand. You just say I don't understand. What is token limit? Okay, what is token limit? Okay, can you explain more? Explain more. Let's 1,000 words. Okay, got how many token? How many token? If 128K can read how many words? Now this one you need to know. Okay, say I don't understand why is the token limit. Can you explain more? 1,000. Okay, as a token is a text that GPT process. It include the words punctuation space Token are used to determine how much text a model can read, understand, and generate in one interaction. Can you see? One token equal to 4 character, including the space. One token estimate around 0.75 words lah. Okay, estimate depend on your words. One words like you say token got 5 character, conversion maybe got more than that. This one actually it depends. So 8,000 token is already is 6,000 word. The 128K is around 96,000 word. So that means what? That means if you using the free version, every time they only can help you to analyze few thousand word or they write some word for you only. So you have it ever tried when you use the free version? I ask them to write, maybe they can write 500 word only. But when you go to use the pay version, right? They can write until 1,000 word. And then every time the chat limit, when you try to ask chat at the end, they already generate one chat, maybe they generate until a limitation of the word, they already stop. Then you have to go to another chat. That chat cannot be continuous already. Okay, so in this moment, why I want to tell you? Because a lot of people every time tell me I use a pay version, but when I want to insert the article, let me show you. I insert the article. Now I show you I insert article. Okay, you put insert here like this. You say, can you tell me this article got how many words? How many token? Okay. How many word, how many token? I let you to read first. Can you tell me this article got how many words, how many token? I let you to estimate for us. If you throw the 10 article inside, can they read for you or not? This article approximately got 2,000 words based on token estimation. It used around 3,000. So that means actually they can read. If you are using a free version, still can read. But free version only allow you to use 1 or 2 times of the reading article. So if you are pay version, then it's okay. Because if we try to open these pages, huh? Okay, you see, this one only, maybe a little bit, not much lah. Okay, so still okay. So now you already understand why every time when I do the writing, right, I cannot get a very good result. I cannot get a very good result. So a lot of people, they when they do a reading, they use a paid version. They just put 5 articles, 10 articles. They thought can read everything. No, you have to understand one article got how many pages? Maybe got 10 pages. 10 pages usually is around 3,000, 4,000, and one thesis 200 pages. You throw one thesis 30,000 word, 30,000 word. If you are not using the high end of the article, the ChatGPT, actually you cannot analyze the content effectively lah. Okay. So this is the first thing that you need to know. You need to know. Okay. So you if you ask me to go to search online, actually online also got lah. But sometimes ChatGPT already got that content. You go to ask. Another thing is, can you see here got GPT 4 O lah, O1 lah, O1 mini lah. This one is the free version one lah, actually. And then this one is a O1. O1 actually they say that one is for advanced reasoning part. Okay, like a detective style already. The new one lah. And then if you are using the free one, GPT 4o mini, this is totally for free one. So you can use either 4 or either use 4. And if you go to the 4o, your usage already finished, you can go to the GPT 4 again. Okay? This one maybe got give you 3 hour 40 or 50 message. This one also got give you around 30 or 40 message per 3-4 hour like that lah. Okay? So this is the thing you can use for all, and also you can use for, but the result totally will be a little bit different. What different actually I also cannot notice it lah. I just want to let you know lah. They say got different, but sometimes when I see the reading the content like almost the same one, we cannot identify the different in very details one lah. Okay, so now you know about this. So if you want to know more about this ChatGPT, let me share with you. Let me share with you. You go to the ChatGPT here, then you go down, go to the website, I think OpenAI ChatGPT. Okay, this one you can see the package. Go to the package pricing here. You see, you try to see this one. OpenAI. Wow, this one. If you're doing business, you can buy the token for them lah. Okay, why? This is for pricing. OpenAI index for everyone. Then for the price. In here, they did not tell you the token they read, but you can see unlimited access to GPT-4o and O1. This is for pro version. Everything in plus. What got plus? External limit on messaging, file upload, advanced enhanced data and image generation. So limited access to O1 and O1 mini. Okay. Then access to Pro one. This one is good lah. This one is a new model lah, but it's very expensive per month. Okay. If you have 2 member above, you can buy team. Team got more quota than the plus. I'm using the team's account with my friend. We bought 2 account using by 2 people. So my quota is double than plus. So usually when I'm conducting the class, right, I don't have any issue on the usage is finished already. Okay. So that's why I want to tell you about this lah. Okay, so next thing I want to share with you is okay, we go to the questions. Okay, what type of output do you want to generate from the ChatGPT? Usually, we like them to generate the content. As an academician, image sometimes you just play for it lah. Okay, don't generate using ChatGPT. Okay, don't generate. But if you want to generate some image, if you want to use for fun, that is okay. But if you want to use it for the writing, no, please don't do it. Okay, we are using the ChatGPT maybe to summarize information, generate the content, and I already tell you what is the token, and then the limitation. They and only allow you maximum 10 file, maximum now lah, for now. Maybe in the future they will change. I'm not sure. So if you're asking me ChatGPT is better or ChatGemini is better or Claude is better or either the Croc is better, for me, as an exclamation, I think you master one ChatGPT it should be very enough, right? But if you're a programmer, maybe you can go to the Claude. Okay. Now this one ChatGPT for academic actually is master one should be enough already. And another thing I want to tell you is about data privacy. This one very, very, very important. A lot of people like to ask me question if I put my thesis content there and then I go to summarize it, I go to rewrite it, I use the proofreading and paraphrasing content. Will my thesis read by the ChatGPT and save into the ChatGPT database? If you're using a free version, yes, because that is that all the data that you insert, they will use for training of purpose. What is the meaning of training purpose? So that means that their AI will relearn your content. In the future, they think maybe your content is good after 6 months, after how many months, they will pass the content to other people. So other people also can get this result also. So if you're using a free version, please don't put your private content here. Even your ChatGPT, even your thesis content, also don't do it. Free version. One line, two lines still okay lah. But if you put one paragraph, the data insert, then you want to try is it whether can get it or not? Of course, it's not within 1 month, 2 months, your data will be shared out lah. But after the new model come out, maybe the AI already know your content. Okay. Another thing I want to share with you is about this is called setting. Okay, because I'm using the Teams account, So in the Teams account, there is one function is called data control. This one, improve the model for A1. What does it mean? Training of model. If you're using a plus account, please come here to turn off. Plus, you're using plus, you come to turn off. But if you're using a pro, if you're using the Teams account, they will turn off automatically for you. This one, after you turn off, right, all the data that you inserted, you don't need to worry they will be used for training or purpose. No, totally no. Okay. So this data of control, everyone please come here to disable it if you're using the pay version. Okay, pay version. Free version you don't need to do because totally is open already. Because they let you to use for free they want to get your data also. Okay. Okay, so this is the thing I want to share with you. Okay, so how do you handle plagiarism and edition? This one tomorrow we'll discuss it lah. Of course, you get the content from ChatGPT, you will get this issue lah. The AI detection really, really, very high lah. Plagiarism is you use the ChatGPT, the plagiarism will be less because you rephrase, you rewrite already. Okay, but no matter how you get other people content, you need to find the source inside it. Can I use the AI tools for academic writing? Why? Why not? Can use it for, but the problem is how are you use it in an effective way? Okay, this one later on we also will discuss. Can I use the idea generated from the ChatGPT for my study? This one can or not? Can. You want to use the idea from the ChatGPT, but you need to do one thing. After you ChatGPT give you the idea, right, you need to find the proof whether this one is too fantasy can be run or not, or this one actually got somebody do, but maybe I can improve it in a better way. You need to have proof. Go to find some article, find that one totally can help you or not, then cite it. Okay, so if not, you just take it, use it without any proof. Actually, this is totally wrong. Okay, this is totally wrong. So now I want to share with you on this one thing is called qualitative analysis. For the qualitative analysis, right, I'm going to use your content, the content that you give me, you already inserted. So let me share with you. Okay, you can, because my data is not much, maybe only 700 plus only, I can drag inside like this. Okay, first thing you want to make sure the AI actually can read your content effectively or not. You can just ask ChatGPT how many how many data I have in this file. Can you analyze it for me? Usually, people like to do this simple question. Can you analyze it for me? They like to use the simple term. Can you analyze it for me? Let it simple only. We ask. I also like to ask simple question at first. But after I already become advanced user, so I know I want what I want to get. Oh, totally got 700 row and 9 column variable. Wow. So can you tell me how many questions inside inside this spa? How many question? My one is an open-ended question, okay? Can you tell me how many questions inside this file? To any number of questions in the file, I will check the column, header, each column. Okay, there are totally 9 files. Each column represent one question. More specific? Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, totally got 9. Okay, totally got 9. Wow, so many. Oh. Okay, so now, I want you to do thematic analysis. Okay, step by step. Step by step. What is the meaning of step by step? If you're already familiar with using the Atlas DI lah, usually we will just do the coding. Okay, can you teach me how to do? Okay, you ask the ChatGPT to teach you also because you are new, want to use this for qualitative purpose. We try to see. Oh, what they say. You have to know, you're not only asking the ChatGPT to give you the answer. You need to know how does the ChatGPT run the data analysis, run the writing, run the analysis of the quantitative part for you. You need to know how they do it. Because if you just already get the result, you did not see through the step how they do it. Actually, sometimes the data maybe will be wrong. Understand? So like this slide, they say, oh, step one is familiar myself with the data. ChatGPT, oh, you read my data, respond, then you answer it. Oh, correctly. Oh, then I go, oh, step two, you do the initial coding. Coding involve identify session or data that are relevant. So start with one question at a time. Then go through all response, assign label. Oh, assign label or code. Okay, understand. The code should summarize, reflect key idea. Okay, I understand, correct? Let's try coding for the response to question one. What specific code topic or what would you like the wait time focus on? I will create a sample code book for question one. We like to proceed. Okay, good, good. Do it now. See, they will do the sample code for one. Okay, this one is qualitative. So we try to use this for qualitative. Initial coding for question one. Writing with real reference. You give me the response is this one. Writing with real reference. Then they code it. They say, after they code it, it's called real reference. Then after that, they need to teams it. You know that what is a code? One is teams, right? Code is actually just put everything. This is considered one code. Then after that, they make it as a team. Team is mean the big they have a lot of code. One team maybe have a lot of code inside. So they do. Wow, so many observation. So this is observation. Why we need to get this one? Because all the initial coding, actually, they can have some insight also. Okay, next step, refining code and grouping into team. Group similar code into broader team. Highlight. Yes, do it. Do it for me. I just want to share with you when I first time to learn about the qualitative using the ChatGPT, I also starting to ask the ChatGPT. I want to know how they do. After that, I understand, then I can do it. And based on my experience previously when I collaborate with one of the US professor, they are very good, their English very good. So I give them data, right? They didn't even use any software to do the coding, any team thematic analysis. They just read the content, then they just do the coding by themselves without using any software at all. So what does it mean? So that means if someone have a very good command in English, they can find a good team, they can find a good code. So simple enough. Don't need to use any software at all. Okay, so ChatGPT actually have this ability because ChatGPT very good in English. Okay, wow, idea generation code include idea generation, idea screening, example response, idea generation, idea screening for top research trend in social science editing research writing improving paper quality research trend And at the meantime because I receive a lot of question. If I found out some of the question, I will try to discuss it as well. Because like this one, we want to write a good quality of paper, you must have a good reference You need to know how to write a good summarizing part Okay, idea also very important Okay, then this one is a summary of theme. Idea generation, editing feedback, research writing, improve quality. Review themes. Then after that, they ask you to review again. Then you can say yes, proceed. Let it to run. Let it run. Let it to run. Define and name finality. Here is a refined version of the theme, including clearer definition, idea generation using ChatGPT to brainstorm, okay? To brainstorm, to develop new idea for academic writing, idea generation. Oh, this one, producing the report. Producing the report is very important. Production is very important. So now, okay, give me the report. give me the report in details. Okay, done. So next it. So I want them to use the team to explain to me. You see, what specific topic the question one, teams analysis, idea generation, key insight. Then after that, implication. Participants want to explore how GPT can assist. This is a report. They totally write a report for you in a very detailed. Okay. So this is actually the say research writing task lah. I'm using all the content that you generated, you inserted lah. So you all can see a lot of people want to enhance the paper quality, want to write real reference. You want to exploring the research trend. They also want to, this is a summary of teams, idea generation. You see, how come my 4O can generate more? Because I think I already utilized 5, 6 message. You see, sometimes until 40 messages, you cannot continue already. So my suggestion is always, if possible, try to purchase the Teams account with your friend if you're a heavy user. Okay. So research writing enhancing. Okay, thank you. So we'll proceed with alternative for another question. Now I want to focus on another question. Good. Okay, good. Go for go for another question. But I want to ask you one thing. Do you found out why every time ChatGPT will stop to ask me yes or no? Do you ever find it out? Why sometimes ChatGPT will stop and then ask me to yes or no? Okay, because in my ChatGPT there, I already trained every time when I ask you the questions, you need to give me one step result. Okay, then I okay, you only proceed. This is what I learned from previously. If not, the ChatGPT will give you one shot everything. Will give you one shot. If one shot is mean 2001 or 1001 totally settle. And then if you give ask the ChatGPT to give you one shot, right? The result is not accurate at all. Because they already summarize it, make it narrow it down, then they give you something. Maybe some important point is very related to you, but you miss it already. Okay, how to write question like this? You just say, "Hi ChatGPT, okay, I want you to give me the analysis, okay, of the method step by step, step by step. Once I approve and the step, agree with it, then you only can proceed to next step. You need to do this because in my ChatGPT previously I already use every day. They already understand my style. I save it in the memory. Oh, do you know why I save it in my memory? You just say save this instruction in my memory. In my memory. Okay, in my ChatGPT memory. This one very important. So you see, wait, they already understand my style. They are running memory updated. See, one thematic analysis to be performed step by step. After each step, the user will review and approve before proceeding to the next step. This is very, very important. Remember, this is very important. You are teaching a ChatGPT. Understand me, please. Don't simply become the bot. Give me the answer like what you want. Just give me. Oh no, we don't want ChatGPT give you the answer in one shot. Understand or not? If you want a ChatGPT to write for you, right, you cannot ask a ChatGPT to write everything in one shot. You say, I write a research proposal for me in using around 2,000 words. So you thought that one is accurate. No, that one is not accurate. They summarize everything, then they put just this one, a little bit. So in that part, right, actually you cannot get. The best way is write one section by one section or one step by one step, one phase by one phase, step by step. And then you can get more, get more, get more. Okay, you need to know how to fully utilize ChatGPT if you're a pay user. Okay, a free user no choice lah. Free user totally you just use it for some writing, use for some simple job only lah. But for me, if you are really heavy user, I suggest you can just purchase it lah. Okay, so this is one I want to share with you. Memory, this one very, very, very important. Okay, so next step. Oh, good. Okay, good. Okay, good. Next question. Next question. Even I type the typo, they also can understand me well. So nowadays, if I use ChatGPT, my English words, right? Even I type any wrong word, I still ignore it because I know they know what I want. So I don't need to waste my time to make it question very perfect. Question question. No, I don't need to do it already. They already understand that one is typo. They can correct it. Okay. What kind of example or case study would you like to cover during the family? I will start by this one. Oh, see, so good. Now you understand me already. Okay, okay. I proceed you. You proceed. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay. So make it bigger bit. Bigger bit. Oh, wow. Some respond the question too. Wow, this one, oh, quantitative, qualitative, okay lah. Literature review also okay bit. This one, I don't know what is it. Medical, no. Infection disease. Oh, this one, I'm not expert. I'm not able to tell you about the literature review example writing. Still okay. Wow, you all like to know about case study. I'm not expert in the case study, so I'm not able to get really see this one. Okay, next. Okay. Oh, initial coding, medical field digital twin for FDN, literature review, quantitative, qualitative, example case study from social science will be moral level infection, medical field. Wow. This one can lah. Social science okay lah. Consumer, computer science, literature review. Wow. Okay. Okay. Pass to next question. I want to go to next question because case study we are not touching. Pass to next question. Okay. Ignore the rest. I want go to pass to the next question. I don't want to do this. Go to another question. Move on to question three. See, what specific challenge do you face in your academic writing where you think ChatGPT could help? Familiar with data. Okay. Explain challenge using. Okay. Good. Okay. Say okay. Say okay. Mhm. Analyze. See, ChatGPT can do. I try this one. My data still okay. I think maybe the token maybe is enough for me to analyze. Oh, writing the correct grammar, spelling, and style. Oh, this one. Oh, I get this from the sample from recent. Okay, so we discuss about this. Writing with correct grammar, spelling, and style. Okay, actually, I just want to let you know nowadays you use ChatGPT to write, right? Your grammar, your spelling, your style actually is very perfect. There is no low quality of English anymore. The English is too perfect already. Some until it is until robot style, robot style. So they will identify this as AI. Okay. So grammatical structure and transition linking between one idea and another one. This one also very famous already. So if you have one content, you have another two content, but you don't know how to connect these two together, right? How are you going to connect? You need to understand the idea one and idea two, is it connectable or not? You can ask ChatGPT, this is my idea one, this is my idea two. So how can I go to connect with it? Okay, I can show you how. You see, okay. So wait, let me ask you another question first. Don't do the next step first, yeah. ChatGPT. Hey, I interrupt you for a while. So ChatGPT, I interrupt you for a while. We go to another one now. I got two idea. Okay? Okay. I ask you one is I got two idea. Let's try. Let's say this one. Okay? Transition linking lah. I want you to do transition linking between one and idea and another one. My idea one is using VR virtual reality can improve language learning. Okay, using VR in can improve language learning, but I don't know how. Idea two is using uh idea two one is using VR using AR lah can improve language learning. Okay. Also, I can say like this. Can you help me to link it and make it into 100 words or paragraph? This is only writing. This is only I writing. I give you the important keyword. Transition paragraph linking your two ideas. Virtual reality and augmented are emerging technology that can significantly enhance language by creating, while VR allowed to do what? AR to do what? together to do what? Okay, I understand a little bit now. I don't like this. I don't like this. You can say, I want you to write the paragraph in this style. You can do like this. You are engineer, remember. When you are using the ChatGPT to do a writing, remember yourself is already become an instructor in engineer already. You provide the prompt, provide the style, write in what I want. Don't ask a ChatGPT to write from you. ChatGPT to write everything in their style. Write in your own style. Okay, in my style. First, first introduce introduce about VR, then is AR. Okay, next, tell me what are the what are the strength or strength and weakness of VR and AR. Okay, next, tell me what is the maybe you got strength and weakness, what is the analyze, what is the synthesize, after you have done the strength and weakness analysis, strength and weakness analysis, analysis, last, tell me what is the future study, okay, before that, okay, next, tell me the gap that I can conduct. Okay, I can conduct for my PhD. Last, tell me what is the future study. Maybe can um, can enhance together with my PhD. Uh, you can engineer writing. Understand or not? See, rewrite version, virtual reality has emerged as a powerful tool. Other hand, AR is what. Synthesize this point, combining VR and VR what hybrid model. However, the gap lies in the what. For future study, incorporating see. So you are the engineer already. Write in your style. And one more thing, if I copy this one, I go to the turn it in. Of course, it's 100% because this content is based on the ChatGPT. Understand? But this is based on your idea already. It's your idea. You are engineer already. If I did not ask ChatGPT to write, right? When I doing the writing, I always will write myself. VR is what. Then I do the citation. Okay, till 2020. However, AR is what. Then done about 2022. And then, however, so this is actually the way that we write lah. So if you really want to ask a ChatGPT to write for you, remember, write in your own style. Okay? Then after you write in your own style, you worry, my style maybe is wrong or how can you hi ChatGPT? I found out my style got some problem, okay, in the writing, in academic writing. Can you correct my mistake and make it better sequence? Okay. Your style is not 100% correct, right? So, of course, please share your paragraph. Okay, you can say this one, and this is the style. Share it. Your paragraph is quite strong, but I refine the sequence, clearly some point, and improve cohesion for better academic. You see, refine the sequence, improve cohesion for better academic flow. Corrected and refine. And then I want to teach you one thing. Ball the part that you have corrected. What is mean? Every time the ChatGPT do the changes for you, can you find out? No, I don't know where is it. They give me something new, but I don't know where is it. Give this keyword ball and Italy also can. Ball and Italy, the part that you have corrected. See, see? Control distraction-free environment. As it often lack a real-world interaction. Oh, you doing this? Okay. I understand where you change already. Okay. See, easy only. So remember, we need to try to know what have changes. If you always copy paste without understand where they have done, that actually is causing another trouble because you just take the content. Okay. After I read everything, like, I found this one I don't like. Leh. Oh, you do this one for me. I don't like this. This one is too AI. Then you can ask the ChatGPT to do the content in a better way. This one is too not good. Not the way that you write, I don't like. So you can change. But you need to know, you need to have at least have the skill in doing the right thing. Okay. So my concern is no matter how, don't take the content directly from the ChatGPT. Take what you want. Maybe you see, wow, oh, this good, this one. Oh, this one good. I take it. Then you put into a thesis lah. It's okay one. Then you this one is good, but like more AI. Then I rephrase myself. And then this one I also reframe myself. So in this moment, the ChatGPT, the AI detection, of course, will be low lah. But if you just take everything, you saw this one good, oh, put into my thesis, oh, of course, AI detection will be very, 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 very high. Okay, so this is what I want to share with you lah. Okay, okay, good. Say good. Go to next questions. Go to next question. Oh, feature capability would you like to explore with ChatGPT for academic tasks? Okay, yes. Uh, Feel simple to understand the content. Summarize paper with real correct reference. Yeah, this one 1 year ago when some we discuss this one. Why I call this one is a troubleshooting class because all the question that you already submitted, I will try my best to answer it if I know about it lah. Okay, so this one summarize the paper with real correct reference. This one okay, actually got one technique. Let me share with you lah. Okay, I teach you on how to put the correct reference. Okay, summarize the paper. Summarize paper. If you have the ChatGPT Plus, remember don't put too many fun. Okay, referencing the one of the best. Got few ways lah. Tomorrow we learn about the Scopus AI. That one also one of the best way to get the the citation which is totally true. Okay, and if you don't like this, right, you can go to another plugin. It's called what? Consensus. Okay, you can use this plugin, or you can go to the site space. Site space. This one also okay. Okay, this one also okay. See, site space. Hey, site space they remove already. Last time got okay, maybe they remove already. Now consensus is here. Science space is not here. Maybe they will confirm. You see, no more. But it's okay. Later I go to find out. Okay, so summarize with correct reference. Let me teach you a technique. Okay, let me teach you a technique. How to do it. I teach you this technique. Virtual reality and language learning. I want to find one file. One file. Which one? Okay lah. This one lah. This one good. Okay, I want this one. Okay, literature, VR, AR, what. I don't want to talk about application language then. Okay, this one good. This one okay. This one then I go to see the PDF. Okay, remember one thing that you need to do if you got a Mendeley, you got the citation, which is better lah. But if you don't have, you can use this technique. You can use this technique. Okay. So first thing, what I need to do I copy here. I go to open one file. You see I go to open one file. One file. I teach you this technique. You all see how I do it You need to verify. You need to give the correct content. You cannot simply give the content which is not correct. You can say this is file one. See how I do it. Article one. Okay. Article one. I call it as a. I put this one. Title. Okay. Author. Put like this. Put like this. Okay. Year. 2000. Which year? 2021. Okay. Okay. Important content. Write like this. If you want to make it in a table format, also can. You can do like this. Table form. Let me share with you. I write it as a table format. This technique, you can learn. You can use like this. Article 1, 2. Okay. Advanced title. Okay. And then author. And then you can put like this. If you want to make it easy to read okay, here. Okay. And then you can write one more. It's called content. Contents. Okay. So you try to see this one. I copy this one. Copy this one. Copy this one. Okay. So I go to another paper. Now I copy another one. This one. Copy. So I just teach you on how to do this. Later on the content you need to verify yourself. Okay. I only use two only. Too many I don't have time. So I share with you on how to do it. Copy the important content enough. Okay. Come here. And after that, this is what year? 2000, 2020. 2020. Okay, now let's say because I don't have time to read all the content. Usually I like to go to find out the discussion part. Conclusion of discussion. Or result part. Wait, let me see. What is 2.3 conclusion? Okay, copy this one. Not too much, still okay lah. Okay, copy. And you have to read now because I want to fast so I just copy all the content first. I just want to teach you on how to do the citation automatically only. Wow, so big. Wait. Copy. Okay, then like this. Copy first. Okay. Then I go to another paper. This paper. Where is the paper? This one. So the first paper is what? Use of usually in non-native. 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 Okay, so I also go to select the important part. Select the important part. So this one, in virtual and use in NLTT. Okay, you have to read because I want to fast, so I cannot. Oh, this one too technical. Wow, so many benefit of people using in non-native language. Okay, maybe I try to use this one. Okay, I copy. You have to read. Okay, now I want to fast, so I just copy some content only. Benefit or pitfalls of the use. Okay, copy. So inside here, you see, when I do a literature review, you have to read. Cannot like me just simply copy paste. Read, take what you want, then ask the AI to train the AI to write. Okay. Okay. So now in this part, right, let's say I collect a lot of data and I put all the content, important content. So I will come here. I will come here. Okay, you just go to ChatGPT. Hi ChatGPT. Let's do something else first. Okay, something else first. This is my paper. This is paper one content. Okay, paper one content. Paper one content. I give already. Don't put too much. Okay, that read by who? Okay, say Blanca, Canova, and you. Okay, for this. Okay, author is Blanca, Canova, and year is 2021. Okay, like this lah. Okay, the content is okay. What? Okay, now you put something like this. Now, okay, tell me what you want. Now, I want you to summarize it. Okay, summarize enough first. Summarize it and let me know what are the okay, what are the strength lah and weakness. Okay, I put one theme that have been discussed in this part. Okay, give me the answer. Give me the answer. Strength and weakness have been discussed in the summary. Along with the strength and discuss along in the contents, the paper by Blanca discuss the scoring utility in non-native. Okay. Okay, so now I give you another paper two that done by who? Done by two. Done by who? Done by Vigilan. Vigilan. Okay. Year 2020. 2021, right? 2020. You see how I do it, I do it. Okay. So Vigilan. Okay. Here is the content. Here is the content. Okay, I give the content. Here the content. Content is here. Copy paste. Okay. Give them what you want. Tell them. You want them to summarize, then you tell summarize. You want them to find what? You have to read now. You cannot say just copy, take everything. Yes lah. Of course, you ask them to summarize for you, but sometimes it's not accurate at how. So you say, you can use the question. What just now what I want? I want, I want you to do what? Because two paper I want to do the same thing. Okay. Strength and weakness discussed in the paper jalan. Okay. Emphasize the critical or motivation and one the paper identify challenge such as learner diversity. Okay. Now, you already give me two summary that done by two different people. Okay. Now, can you tell me based on these two summary, what insight, okay, what information or what kind of the gaps, you tell them what you want, actually what you want, what you want. Can you share with me? Get it? Okay, you already give me two summary that done by two different people. Now tell me based on this paper. Okay. Based on summary of Palaganya, I will provide insight, key information, research gate that derived from the probability insight and common information. So immersive environment, learner motivation, effectiveness, specific, affordable, and also accessibility, different in focus. You can write it, you can ask them to write it into the table format also can. So you can say, Bangka 2022 say what that. Main focus, we are for general language learning, we are for motivation and social interaction. So this is the way actually you already starting to analyze. Okay, so what kind of thing you can use. You can say give them you see if I did not ask them to summarize, you think I know about main focus lah, the cognitive skill lah, the target learner lah, the key limitation. I maybe know about main focus and also the key limitation. This target learner maybe sometimes I also will miss. This one cognitive skill maybe sometimes I also will miss. So you ask the ChatGPT to do it for you. Maybe you can get something different. Then you understand, wow, well, paper one and paper two, the target learner is different. Oh, one is called ASD, and another one is university student. So that is the way when you try to write it in the literature review, then it's easy for you lah. Oh, literature research get identified. Or limited research on writing skill. So after that, lack of the large scale empirical study, higher level of cognitive skill, teacher training, integration emerging technology. Wow. Potential future gap, VR for writing skill development, VR special need learner. All of this actually is you can consider it, but the problem is where is the citation? And tomorrow we are going to touch about the Scopus AI. We will going to the Scopus AI to correct, to take the resources that you can use for your citation purpose. Okay. Now for me, ChatGPT, you cannot take the solid data at all, but you can go to the consensus. This one, high consensus. Okay. Give me the real citation that can support me to do the research game. One, which is limited research on writing skill. Okay, you need to give me the source. Okay, but after you calling this one, I just want to tell you, if the consensus did not ask you approve or not, then this is not consensus. Because I tried out sometime when I use this method, right? They will not directly jump out. See, even they say this is consensus. See, they talk to chat.consensus app, then yes. But to confirm yes or no, right, you need to have link. If you click this link, go to the consensus, then yes. See, 2000, 2024 virtual reality technology for language learning, an example using immerse. The study height, I click it. If this one can go to consensus, wow, okay, whoa. Virtual reality technology, okay. Virtual reality technology for learning English, an example of using immerse. Oh, then this is okay. This is okay. Okay. Good on this one. Using variety, but the quality of the paper we don't know lah. We have to go Q3 SJL score. Wow, Scopus. Oh, now they already got this. Simago's generate Q3. Maybe we need to check the Scopus. Scopus rate. Okay. Okay. Not bad. Oh, I found out. I think the new one they put a score. Wait, it's okay. Affordable and challenge teaching language, but the content you need to read. You need to go inside the content. Please read it again because sometimes the analyze is based on what they have. You better go to find to read it again. Then you only see whether can use it or not lah. Okay, so you already find the research gate. So now I teach you another thing. Now I want you to write the research gate explanation with citation for my study. You can say in 100 words lah. Okay, with citation with citation. See how they write. What, research, what, Bahari, see? Bahari 2002, assisting study is shot by the what. Okay, this is actually the way lah. Okay, but you need to find the content first. Then they only can do like this. If not, this is fake one. If you did not find this content, you just already ask GPT to write it. Actually, sometimes the content is not accurate. So you better go to understand it. Oh, this one okay. Oh, so then you ask the ChatGPT, yes, I agree with you 1 and 2 and 5. So I want you to, based on 1 and 2 and 5, to write the content for me. Okay? So this is actually the way lah, okay? I actually, do you know when I do the literature review, I doing one, I'm not using ChatGPT to do the literature review. I use this software, AI. One, AI can help you to find the supporting and contradicting statement. And then I use another software, it's called SiteSpace. You this SciSpace have their own database of article. They say they have 200 plus million. So I will get some article come here to get the content. Then I will rewrite it, literature review. Then I also will use another software. It's called Elixir. Ah, okay, Elixir. This is one or two or three, and then also if you like to read, you have a lot of article, then you can go to scholarship. But if you don't have much article, then scholarship cannot help you much lah. Scholarship is need to have a lot of article. Another one is the consensus. I will go here to ask my question, so I combine one two three four which is I think I got conducted two version of the literature review with Sido AI Elixir a lot lah I think. Coming soon, I will conduct a workshop for this version 3 also. I already incorporated with the new one, is called Scopus AI, and also the new prompt. So we are going to write it, but simple way. What is mean simple way? You get the content from the ChatGPT, get the content from Elixir SiteSpeed and also the consensus. Then you train the ChatGPT to write. Just use the prompt in the correct way to prompt them to write enough already. But I want to tell you one thing. After you write it, you need to understand one thing. AI detection is 100%. AI detection is 100%. There's only solve one problem for me, which is I am engineer. I ask the ChatGPT to write for me, but that one is based on my content, based on my idea. I just use the ChatGPT language to write. Then what is the next step? I save a lot of time in writing already. The next step is what? Use a AI software to bypass. I found out not very effective lah. After that, now they come up a new algorithm to bypass and avoid it again. So now not the AI detection software very good already lah. Last time it's maybe yes, but now maybe less already. So the best way is what? Human proofreader. You just spend the money on the human proofreader. I want to share one thing with you all. If you really want to use ChatGPT to speed up your research writing, the data analysis, to do the interpretation, this money you cannot save one. You cannot save money on the proofreading. Just try to find one good proofreader, which is you afford to pay for it, then you go to do it. If not, you maybe can ask your friend, ask your member who is good in English, how them to do a little bit. Or you can just this one you written by AI, then you send this one, you ask them to paraphrase for you, and this one is written by you, then you use the Grammarly to do a little bit, and then this one is written by you, you don't need to use AI. Okay, so the best way, if your your AI detection rate is very high, please, starting from today, spend some money on this part. Send to the professional proofreader. They are the only person can help you to solve this problem. You don't need to worry about the AI detection until you stop using the AI. Until you stop using the AI. Now you need to learn how to use the AI to faster your writing, find a solid sentence. Even the Scopus already give you the AI, you know. Why they want to give you? Even the WOS, Web of Science, they also give you research assistant AI. If they abandon all this AI, right? Actually, no people will start using. But why they want to put this one? That is my reason. Okay, that means they want you to use. If you're starting, I just want to share with you 1 year plus ago, I also quite reluctant to use, but no choice. I want to. People ask me to share. Then I try my best to learn. At the end, I found it's very good. Oh, even the peer review is actually sometimes also can but I'm not expert yet, so I cannot tell you much. And as I already informed in my group, I got two the Scopus proceeding paper, I think. I also using AI to convert from my thesis, my student thesis lah. I find the content, I train it, then extract the data. But after you extract it, still need to verify the content. You cannot just directly tag the content, tag put no. You need to verify also. Your job is verify validator already lah. Okay, you're not a full-time writer anymore. You are a trainer, instructor, engineer, but you also a validator already. Okay, But I want to share with you is you need to remember one thing. All the content generated by AI sometimes is too AI already. You still need to touch on by yourself. You still need to use some keywords by your own words. Okay. So if not, right, in the future, you don't have writing skill. You only got engineer skill. Okay. You need to try your best to write also lah. Okay, write a little bit. Even our language sometimes broken English still okay lah. Now Grammarly can help you. People can help you. Your friend can help you. So change a little bit, a little bit. At the end, you got skill. You also know how to prompt the AI to write for you. You also can do the writing faster. Okay. So ChatGPT can give you an idea generation very, very fast. They give you an idea. You just give. Okay, another thing I forget. This one. You say, you can say, okay, now I got an idea, okay, for my new study, which in the area of language learning, we virtual reality. My idea is incorporated integrate, okay, integrate AI AI assistant, something something like the AI robot in maybe you can put some content. You watch a movie, I think they know adventures, okay, they call Jarvis, okay, you can say something like this, okay, you can put something like this, okay, integrate AI, can you brainstorming and give me generate some idea for me in doing in furthering my furthering my PhD study. I typo, I don't care already because they know me already. Okay? See, you give them the idea. Idea is from you, you know. You pump more. So they will think about it. Integrate AI isn't like Jarvis into VR language is innovative. Here are some brainstorming ideas to brainstorm. AI-driven virtual tutor. Oh, virtual tutor. Okay. NLP. Oh, they need NLP. Immersive real-time scenario, VR environment combined with AI. Gamify. Oh, they say inside the VR, you need to have the gamified learning. Okay. Real-time feedback. Oh, I also need real-time feedback. Oh, I need the practice of conversation. Oh, okay. You see, I only got some idea. One, two, three keyword. They give me more. In this moment, right? Of course, you cannot do everything lah. This is like 7 PhD, 8 PhD, 10 PhD already. You cannot do everything. You just say, I want to focus on writing assistant. Okay, you can say, now I only want to focus on one area, which is which is writing assistant using AI. Okay. So from now on, uh, for now, give me all the content which is focusing on the okay. After you already got this AI, my English not very good lah. Sometimes broken English, grammar issue. But don't worry, they understand you. Okay, they understand you. Okay. So you see, I want to focus on one area which is writing assistant using AI. For now, give me all the content that focuses on this. Okay. So brainstorming actually is not very difficult at all, but you need to know. Give me what you want me to brainstorm. In my next week classes, I got conducted one few new workshop is using the idea generation, summarizing, synthesizing, critical reviewing, and also writing the article in the next Sunday, I think. This coming Saturday is just using literature review, but we have to use a lot of software to simplify our writing. Okay, you can see, okay, you see, save memory, you see, they set into the memory already. Okay, I will not focus on it. Okay, good. Okay, good. Go now, right now. Oh, I want to identify gap. Okay, research gap lah. Okay, research gap lah. Okay. See, wow, they even can give you. But all of this, right? After you already write it, don't use it in your thesis immediately. Go to find some article, go to support it. This part, right? This part, right? They have citation, but sometimes it's not accurate at all. So the best way is tomorrow we go to Scopus AI. We go to find how to use Scopus AI in helping us. Okay, I think nowadays a lot of university already can use because they have getting the trial. You are getting the trial. Okay, after that no more, then you cannot use already. Okay, tomorrow what we are going to touch, we will touch about reliability concern, data analysis. I will share with some important part. And paraphrasing this one, tomorrow I will demonstrate also AI challenge, AI detection. We are going to discuss all of it and also your queries.